Welcome back. There is absolute no truth in the media reports so far in the Tejpal case. It's all false. No media wants to come out with the truth. This is how former managing editor of Tehelka Shoma Chaudhary reacted to media. Shoma annoyingly refused to comment to media on the sexual assault case. She was interrogated for almost 4 hours in the crime branch on Sunday. Tejpal was also interrogated separately.
Shoma Chaudhary's statement was recorded before the magistrate on Saturday. Later on Sunday, she was interrogated for almost 4 hours by the crime branch officials. But the former managing editor of Tehelka strongly denied to have a word with the media. She reacted sharply and annoyingly, saying reports filed in media in Tejpal case are totally false. She said media has not shown the facts of the case.
पूरा मीडिया में आज तक एक सही शब्द नहीं आया, तो मैं नहीं बात करूँगी ना तहलका के बारे में, ना हमारे बारे में, ना ये पूरा घटना के बारे में एक सही शब्द नहीं आया अभी तक, तो मुझे बात करने का कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं।
Meanwhile, Tarun Tejpal's police custody has been extended till Tuesday. Tejpal was brought to the crime branch for interrogation on Sunday. Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Leader of Goa Youth Congress Xavier Fialo on 4th December assaulted Rajesh Savar at Ella, Old Goa. Old Goa police registered non-cognizable offence against Xavier Fialo due to lack of enough proof. Now, Prudent has access to a CCTV footage that shows the reality of the incident.
Complainant Rajesh Savar has a shop at Ella, Old Goa, which is under legal dispute. CCTV footage shows that Xavier Fialo reached there and started clicking photographs of that shop. Rajesh Savar opposed to take photographs, due to which Xavier Fialo started beating him.
सकाळी तो आयलो आनी ताणें फोटो मारपाक लागलो, क्लिप्स फोटो मारपाक लागलो. तो आनी ताजो डॅडी आयलो, सांतान पियेलो आनी झेवियर पियेलो आनी फोटो मारपाक लागलो. हांव ताजे कडेन गेलो आनी हांवें ताका सांगलें की तूं फोटो मारूं नाका, कित्याक कोर्टान आमची मॅटर आसा आनी कोर्टान स्टे दिल्लेली आसा. सो यू कॅनॉट एंटर द प्रिमायसीस. तुवें कितें तें लिगल पेपर्स हाडून मागीर तूं फोटो मार. तर म्हणपाक लागला तूं आपल्याक कोण सांगतालो आनी सरळ म्हाका मारपाक लागलो. ताणें म्हाज्यो 2 मुठी मारल्यो, बापायन ताज्यो खोटी मारल्यो.
Rajesh Savar says that when he approached Old Goa police to register his complaint, police was reluctant.
हांव पुलिशेन गेल्लो, हांवें FIR दिली, FIR सोड, हांव पुलिशेन गेल्लो, हांवें FIR दिली तांकां, पूण तेजेर अजून कांय हें जावंक ना, एक्शन जावंक ना.
The Old Goa police has registered a non-cognizable offence complaint related with this case. Our reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Opposing fish market at Vasco, fish vendors alleged that local MLA Carlos Almeida attempted to bribe them. They claimed that Carlos offered their chief flats and asked them to support the proposed fish market. Most of the fish vendors do not want the fish market. They are not happy with the proposed fish market.
दोन फ्लॅट दित म्हणून सांगलोली आणि आमकां कितले लाखो दित म्हणून सांगलोले. या 5 लाखा फोटोन आमकां तेगे लाखोय नाकाय म्हणून सांगले आणि आमकां तेगे बंगलेय नाकाय म्हणून सांगले. पादरा इतले मेते साय नाक म्हणून सांगले आणि हुई होत ले गॅसिन बसतो न्यू को परत माझ्या मार्केट बांधूलाय. आमच्या पादरा इतून येई नाक सांगते का साइड झालेले पैसे आमकड येयलोले, आमकड दे, आम बांधताय बाजार. तो आते म्हणता आपण बांधता फकत वर्ष भरपा बाजार बांधतो. आम्ही हरिया आणतो एमएलए सोयता आम्ही काम रामचे आमच्याक बी नाही.
We spoke with the Vasco MLA Carlos Almeida. He refused to comment. This was on the backdrop of the meeting convened by the local MLA Carlos Almeida. Earlier a day before, Carlos Almeida had made a presentation of proposed fish market to the fish vendors in presence of municipal councillors. The meeting was held at Murgaon municipality. There were differences among the fish vendors. Some said they do not want the fish market. Some asked for changes. However, Carlos Almeida said that the fish vendors are happy with the proposed market plan.
कित्याक सगळ्यांचे एक डिसिजन जालें की हे बाजार जाय म्हूण ते एक बरें जालें. ओन्ली कितें जालें तेणें कितें सजेशन दिलें आतां की सायडीन ओपन कर, सायडवेज फुल बाजार ओपन दवरपाचें तें आमी एग्री जालें तांकां.
A video journalist Dishan Parab for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.